Hey, what's up tech fans? Today, it's all about Nothing's first true flagship, the Phone 3. I just went hands-on, and trust me, it's one of the most interesting phones of 2025. Let's dive into what makes this so special. Nothing debuted the Phone 3 on July 1st, with global sales starting July 15th. It starts at $799 USD for the 12GB, 256GB version, or $899 for the 16GB, 512GB trim. The transparent design is back, but this year it's even more playful. Say hello to the new Glyph Matrix, a circular dot matrix LED at the back corner that shows notifications, timers, even mini-games like rock paper scissors. And you interact with it via the Glyph button, tap and play, phone mirror, a clock, bit of everything. Nothing's calling this their utility fashion statement. Up front, we've got a 6.67 inches LTPO OLED panel, 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh, and up to 4500 nits peak brightness. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4, paired with 12/16 of a gigabyte RAM and 256 512ths of a gigabyte storage. Now the cameras, all four of them are 50 megapixels. A wide lens, ultra-wide, a 3x periscope tele with up to 60x AI zoom, and a 50 megapixel selfie cam. All support 4K, 60 video. The Phone 3 packs a 5150 mAh battery, or 5500 mAh in India, with 65W wired, 15W wireless, plus reverse wireless, wired charging. Runs on Nothing OS 3.5 over Android 15, boasts 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches. It's playful, quirky, even but polished. Specs are solid. Big OLED, flagship charging, top-tier cameras, and that Glyph Matrix is more than a gimmick. So, is the Nothing Phone 3 a true flagship? Almost. It's not the raw horsepower of a Galaxy S26 Ultra, but price to value, style, and features. It's one of the most unique flagships of 2025. Like if you're into phones that break the mold. Subscribe for our full review, camera tests, and comparisons versus Pixel 10 Pro XL and OnePlus 15. Hit the bell. This one's going to surprise a lot of people.